Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. This is me Aroza, and today on Trendy Talks we will be discussing a particular nutrient that we need in our day-to-day life for our daily functioning. Now, we do get proteins, carbohydrates, vitamins from easily available sources, that is your vegetables, meat and your pulses. But this particular nutrient is not available in adequate amounts from these sources. So you must be wondering, what is this particular nutrient that I'm talking about? Guys, it is omega-3 fatty acids. So what are omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3 fatty acids are divided into three: ALA, DHA and EPA. So what are the benefits of omega-3 fatty acids? Omega-3 fatty acids have multiple benefits. They help in our cardiovascular function, they reduce inflammation, they help in brain development, vision development and function, and so on and so forth. So what are the sources of omega-3? The vegetarian sources are spinach, walnuts, chia seeds and flax seeds. For the non-vegetarians, there's cod, salmon, mackerel and sardines. So how do you come to know if you're deficit? Some symptoms like inflammation or pain in the joints and swelling, anxiety, lack of concentration, low energy, mood swings and dry skin are some of the symptoms that show you that you are omega-3 deficit. So why choose omega-3 by Oriflame? They are certified sustainable by Friend of the Sea, pharmaceutical quality production, that is they have good manufacturing practices. They use fish that are naturally high in DHA and EPA. They are derived from small fish that have accumulated less toxins than the larger predatory fishes. So let me show you what this capsule is made of from. They are made from fish gelatin. So basically the capsules are not made from bovine or porcine. That makes them 100 times easier to digest. As you can see, they don't have any plastic covering. Right? Now they are made from all natural omega-3 is used in this. There are no preservatives or no artificial coloring that is used to make these omega-3 capsules. Now how do these capsules help in our day-to-day life? It improves the heart health and cholesterol levels, improves moisture and elasticity of the skin, reduces the UV damage and wrinkles. It improves your endurance and strength, decreases inflammation and soreness in your joints, improves your digestion, it's a tonic for your brain, and it is good for your eyes. So the recommendations for this little product is 2 capsules a day after your breakfast for effective and visible difference. So the daily recommendation is 250 to 500 milligrams a day. Now these capsules should be taken at least twice. That is, you can use 2 capsules either after breakfast or during the day. Throughout the day you can use one in the morning and one in the afternoon. Do not eat it with milk products. So do not have any milk products or milk and consume this product. For best results, have it with breakfast. So guys, that's it for today's video. Do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I will be dropping a link in the description for where you can find this product, and you can contact me over there. And till then, stay healthy and be happy.